Experiencing AnyDesk issues? Don't worry too much, just watch this video and see how to fix it. One of the most common reasons why AnyDesk errors may occur is a slow or unstable internet connection disconnected from the AnyDesk network. To solve this problem, you should check the version of your AnyDesk software, whether it's 32 or 64-bit. If it does not correspond to the version of the computer, then it is necessary to uninstall the current one and install the corresponding version. Check the current AnyDesk version in the Task Manager. Then check the Windows version by following Properties in this PC tab. If they differ, reinstall AnyDesk. Another solution is to configure the firewall correctly. To do this, go to Firewall and Network Protection, then allow an app through the firewall. By activating change settings, you can check the private and public boxes for AnyDesk. Also, users often complain about network issues. If you're experiencing this type of problem, check the internet connection, turn your router off, wait 30 seconds and then turn it on again, move closer to the router for a better connection, or try using an Ethernet cable and connect directly to your ISP. AnyDesk issues related to audio, mouse, and keyboard are also often reported by users. Firstly, these errors may be caused if the software is installed improperly. Try reinstalling AnyDesk. If that doesn't work, we have another method to solve the issue. Go to Settings and select the Security tab. Next, go to the Permissions for Remote Users section. Tick the Hear My Device's sound output and Control My Device's keyboard and mouse boxes. Sometimes users can't log in to the remote computer. The session is denied due to the access control settings of the remote computer means that your ID has not been added to the access control list of the remote client. Whitelisting the access control settings will fix this issue. Firstly, unlock the Security tab, then enter your PC ID on the remote device using the plus button. Also, interactive access should be customized so that incoming connection requests are displayed. To set up, users should go to Settings and find the Interactive Access option in the Security tab. Choose Allow Always or Allow Only if AnyDesk window is open. That's it. Sometimes a session can end automatically due to inactivity or settings on the remote client side. To deal with this problem, you have to change the time limit. Follow our instructions. Navigate the settings. Click the Security tab and disable the Auto Disconnect option. You can also set an auto disconnect timeout. If you have encountered other problems, please write in the comments and we will consider solutions for them in the next video. Also, more information you can find in our article, link in the description. Thanks for your support. Stay tuned.